Well, you can hear all the blackbirds in the background. They're all sitting up in the trees. They're all hiding in the leaves, so you can't see them too well. But you sure can hear them.
Did you zoom in on this other tree yet?
Yeah, I have once. I'll zoom in right now again. I still don't see too many up there, but they're all inside the leaves.
I wish they... Come here, Pebbles. Come here. Come here, Pebbles. Come here. Hello.
Hi, James. Did you have a good day at school today?
Her tail's really getting cool. Danny, her tail's really getting wet, isn't it?
I know, it's getting lazy like that. Over on your right. Oh, he went over the house.
Okay.
Honey, your best spot is out at the road, looking this way.
Third, 1985. The birds are still flocking, and you can hear their noises. Different times they take off flying. Sometimes the sky is black. There's pretty colors out now. Fall has started. You'll be able to see the birds. Well, that batch went away for now. We'll have to wait for the next one. It's really pretty out today. This is our flower garden. The flowers are still pretty. See if I can get down in front here. We've had some very pretty roses. Reds, whites, peaches, yellows, and orange.